Let's see what SPX is doing. Gapping down 1.2%, basically just a gap fill, right? So we had this 2 days, first of the quarter, follow through, and then inside 21, couldn't get above, tagged again, closed below 37.50, gap down. Nope, it's a falling. It's a falling right back to this trend line. So now we got to see if it gets supported here at that trend line. That's going to be in the level. Bounce or trounce intraday. Let's see what we can get. We definitely opened up below 37.07. We definitely got rejected at the yearly, right? Okay. You can see it, the data. I had to refresh it. We're through this trend line, or I should say we're at the trend line, little overshoot here. Let's see if we can get, leaving behind this island is a reversal, island reversal, which is obviously quite bearish. We're back below 3,700. There isn't really a lot of support here. As you can tell, we had a massive, this was the June low, which is why I have it in green. This was just lots of levers are pulled on that 35.88. So hence, this was an intraday as well. We tagged it on Friday of last, and now we look like we're headed back towards it pretty quickly. So as long as it stays below 37.07, we're in sell-off mode, and we could see it already. Small caps aren't as bad because of energy keeping a little bit more of a bid in there, but SPY on support. You see this air pocket of risk right below it, right back into the 21, rolled over, gap below. We need to stay below 369.53. So if we happen to bounce here exactly at this gap fill, okay? So here's your Monday to Tuesday gap up. So we've just erased all of Tuesday's gains. The question is, are we going to erase Monday's gains today or tomorrow? I mean, you know, Monday. Yeah, crude is over 90 bucks. Pot stocks are the only bullish thing other than energy plays, and pot stocks, I think, are going to have some follow through because of the shorts in there are, let's just say there are a lot of shorts in there. So this is not a one-day aftermarket kind of drama. I think this can last a few days in the pot stock space, but this is more interesting to me, obviously, right? So I think we are at risk. So let's say, you know, we only have a 3% expected move for the week, and we moved 6%, right? It's very, very usual and customary to come back inside that move. So that's basically what she's talking about. Very, very much expected to come back inside that move. The problem is that rubber band attempt, right? When we go outside an expected move, the rubber band can be just as aggressive on the downside. So where we actually opened on Monday was 361. That would not be expected by many, but I actually can see it. I can see this coming right back down to 362, right back to the open of 361. If VIX gets busy, that's what I mean by a flash crash. We will wipe out the gains. That 5.7% move in SPY will be wiped right back out. That's what I mean. So the question is, will it pick up speed? That's the pause. 3160 has, if we get above and stay above that 3160, the market will pick up speed to the downside. We're at 3666. That was a 35.88 area, right? Remember that? Quarterly and yearly and all kinds of support. We absolutely did a great job of tagging, bouncing. That nice little double top, island reversal. You can see the support level 3 is right here. So here's it in a nutshell. Doesn't look great. Volume obviously is weak. Breadth is very weak. Pot stocks leading are just not going to do it. Higher oil, dollar, and rates are obviously risk off, but it is sitting on a little bit of support. I don't know if you can see this intraday. We'll put this here just for temporary. So we're literally sitting on 3662. A break of that, and you've got some drama.